I don't wanna be your friend, homie.
Hi YouTube, it's the Real G on y'all TV screens, and today, if you read the title, you know that I'm going to be doing a belly ring haul or collection. Most of my belly rings I got off Wish. Like, I got a pack of 50 for $2 once, and I got a pack of 20 for like about $1. That's really the only place I get my belly rings from. And I know you can get it from Body Candy or Body Jewelry for You. Something, I forgot what it's called. That's really where I get them from, because I'm not trying to spend $70 on one piercing or $10, $15 on one little piercing. I was going to do a try on haul for y'all because my piercing is pretty much healed. I think I waited about 4 months or 5 months to change mine. I was really scared. But my diamond inside of my belly ring almost came out. So if you just got your belly pierced, when you showering, just be cautious of that. And I don't recommend you to move your piercing around. Like, if you're not in the shower, y'all have no earrings on my knee. Like, if you're not in the shower, don't move your piercing around. You should shower with Dial soap until you know your piercing is healed, because I did shower with Dial soap when I first got my piercing, but I stopped showering with it, and I thought I was good like after 3 months, maybe 2, and my piercing got infected from like Bath and Body Works soap, Dove. You can't use like all the different soaps, so I started bathing with Dial soap again, unscented, just the white one. I started bathing with that soap, and I started doing sea salt soaps with my belly ring. That's when you put salt in a cup, like a little pinch, and you put water and you warm it up, or you boil the water and you don't boil it, don't have it steaming hot on your belly. Like, you just want it to be warm, and then you sit it in a cup for 5 to 10 minutes. And that really worked, and I think that's what healed my piercing faster, because I only used to change my piercing like once a month or once every 2 months because I was scared of I don't know what. But yeah, I used to only change it like a few times, but then I started doing the sea salt soap, so whatever. Don't use regular salt, because regular salt has iodine in it or whatever, and it could infect your piercing. I'm gonna show y'all my plastic piercings, because if you don't know, or if you haven't watched already in my bio, if you haven't watched my scoliosis video already, then you don't know. But I have scoliosis, and I get x-rays and stuff, so I have clear piercings like these for when I go to, basically when I go to my doctor. But the way these piercings are, you can unscrew the balls, right, and you can put it on, because they say plastic or acrylic is not good to put in it's not good jewelry to wear, so I don't wear it unless I'm going to go get an x-ray. So you could swap it out with the metal, you can swap it out with the metal bars. They all fit on the same thing. That's what I like about Wish. Like, I could just change the bars and keep the same one in if I don't want to change my piercing every day. Or I could change it to a plastic and still have whatever color I want. So this pack well, I don't know what the rest are, because they're somewhere around my house. But the plastic ones, I haven't really worn it yet. I think I wore one time. I don't know. You guys can ask any questions in the descriptions. If you guys want me to make a video on how to change your belly ring for the first time, how to change it, how often can you change it, like, just comment below and I will do one of those for you guys. So I have this. Let me show y'all. This piercing is really pretty. I'm gonna put a clip in of a video of me wearing this piercing yesterday. But this is like a piercing that when you put it in like for a special occasion. Like, you don't wear it to sleep. You don't wear it when you lay down. You change it. You put on a basic belly ring when you laying down, but when you're doing something different, then you don't do it. But this is my favorite piercing, y'all. It is so cute. Like, it's like a snake belly ring. It's so pretty. I love it. I think I paid like, where I got this from? I got it from Wish, right? But they sell this on Body Candy. But they sell it for like $10. But I got it for $2. So somebody on YouTube put me on. I can't remember the girl's I can't remember her YouTube name. But if I remember, I will link it below. I basically have like a lot of colorful belly rings. Sometimes when you order belly rings from Wish, they send you the same color. Like these look the same colors. It's just like the purple a little lighter. They send you like different bars. They send you a long one, thicker one, skinny ones. When they send like the variety pack of belly rings, they send you a lot of different belly rings in one. They sent all different sizes. Some people like, they sent the same color. I got 3 of the same colors. Well, that's because if you look closely, like the bars are different sizes. Like they be the same colors, but the bars are different sizes. So it's still a fair buy. Like they be complaining so bad, like you didn't pay $2 for the piercings and for the belly rings in the first place. Like, be for real. You only paid $1, so what's the problem? The tops for these missing, but they inside of my jewelry, my belly ring little thing. But I also have got some of these. Some of these metal belly rings. These kind of look like the ones that they give you. These are sterling silver though. These are like the ones they give you when you get your belly pierced for the first time. So these are the first. When I first changed my belly rings, I changed it to one of these. But the diamonds is different colors. I changed it to these to be safe at first. And the first time I changed my belly ring, it kind of got infected, but I ended that. The infection was gone in a week because of the salt. So, that's pretty much it with this belly ring haul.
But once you buy all these, you're not even going to change your belly ring that often.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. If you want to know what the pain was like, how I felt on my belly ring piercing experience, if you want to know what I did when it got infected, I kind of told y'all this in the video. But if you want to know what I did, comment down below. Any questions y'all have, just comment down below. I will make a video on anything y'all want me to make a video on. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I post. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.